How to use SoundCloud app. Open the SoundCloud application on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. You can see various songs recommended for you over here. You can tap on the song in order to play it. You can see over here it is being played. If you tap on the heart icon, it will be added to the favorites. Likewise, if you tap on the three dots right next to the songs, you'll be able to find various options over here. You can share the songs, you can like it, or you can also access other options over here. Go back. Now if you want to see your feed, tap on the option feed that you can see at bottom. Now you can see the songs from the people that you're following over here. Also you can discover new artists and people. Likewise, if you tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom, you'll be able to search for the songs. Tap on the search bar. Now search for the artist, track, albums or playlists over here. After you do that, you'll be able to see the songs that you searched for over here. Tap on the library icon in order to access your library. The songs that you liked will be stored in your likes section. Likewise, you can find the options for playlists, albums, following, stations, insights and uploads. If you want to upgrade your profile, you can tap on the option upgrade. You can see various options over here. Tap on the option see all plans. Now you can select your plan. Read the features properly. Tap on the option continue to billing. Follow through the prompts, complete the payment. Your account will be upgraded. If you want to access your account, go to the library interface. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can access your account over here. Likewise, tap on the gear icon in order to access the settings. You can find the settings like import my music, account, upload basic settings, etc. Go back. If you want to upload the sounds yourself, tap on the upload icon that you can see on the home interface. Now choose the file that you want to upload. You can also see the notifications by tapping on the notification icon that you can see at top. Now you can access all of your notifications over here. So these are the basic features of the app that you need to know in order to use it. Like this, you can use SoundCloud app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.